Alright, so to celebrate Bree's birthday, we came to Ted's Montana Grill. We've been here once before. It's one of our favorite places. They have a great menu. Everything is... all the burgers are available in Bison or regular hamburger meat. So it gives you a lot of great options. You guys can see around. Really cool layout. One of the things that's really neat about Ted's Montana Grill, though, was founded by Ted Turner. The profits are used to help repopulate native buffalo to the wild in the United States. But we'll show you what we get to eat when that time comes. So every table they serve you quickles. They're like quick pickled pickles, cucumbers. I got a Bolin black cherry cane soda, and of course a glass of water. Bree got a huckleberry margarita. All right, Bree, try your margarita.
Okay.
Let's see what you think.
I'm trying to figure out what's on the ring.
It's a glowing endorsement, guys. Bree doesn't normally like alcohol, so if she likes it, it's really good. All right.
Super smooth. Yeah.
We'll show you our appetizer when it gets here, and then our dinner as well. All right, guys. So for our appetizer, we got house-made chips. You remember what the dip was?
It's like a house-made ranch sauce.
Let's give it a try. I've already tried one.
We're gonna test it again for science.
I don't think either one on their own there's anything groundbreaking, but they're both good, and together they're really good. You know, the dip's probably better than the chips, but again, homemade chips do take a fine. Alright, so we got our salads. Bree got a basic Caesar salad. I got a wedge salad. It's a wedge salad with ranch dressing, tomato, and bacon on it. Alright, so our main courses come. I got the fork and knife Bison chili cheeseburger. So somewhere under there's a Bison burger. But it's got Bison chili, jalapenos, tomatoes, cheese, and I got some salt and pepper onion rings. Bree got the fries with a Bison bacon cheeseburger. She's already put her ketchup and mustard on there. All right, Bree, give us a review.
I gotta cut it in half.
I will tell you why Bree's doing this. So it seems maybe a little intimidating to try Bison over the beef. I also saw you can do chicken, but the Bison's so good. All right, birthday girl, what do you think?
All right.
You see that cheese pull? Pretty good cheese pull.
It's really not much different from a beef flavor. It is a little bit different. It does taste a little bit gamier, but honestly, once you put all the toppings and stuff on top of it, it's just like really fantastic quality beef. It's super hot, super juicy, so much flavor, and the bacon on top. Like, they gave me like 5 pieces, so you just can't go wrong with bacon.
All right, guys, so we just finished up here at Ted's Montana Grill. Thoughts?
Worth it. 1000%.
It's so good, guys. That burger. So, you know when you eat something and you dream about it and you think about it and you pump it up in your head and it never lives up to the hype? So, I can't say it was as good as I remember it, but man, it's still so good. So good.
Came here for the first time, what, 5 years ago? We were still dating. Valentine's Day.
We had only been dating a short time, really. Like less than a year.
Yeah, less than a year, and that was the first time we came here. So that was well over 5 years ago at this point, and it still is just incredible food.
So, I also want to talk about the value.
Yeah.
So we got the chips and dip.
Yep.
We both got a salad. Bree had her margarita. I had 2 of those Bolin cane sugars. I also had an orange cream one. Cane sugar sodas. We both had our burgers.
Yep.
I asked Brie after dinner, I said, how much do you think it is?
I thought it was like $110.
$79.30.
Y'all.
So if there's a Ted's Montana Grill near you, you can try it, go.
Yeah,
Highly recommend, one of our favorite places to stop and eat.
absolutely.
Thanks for watching the video, Weekenders. We hope you enjoyed it. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to like the video, and let us know if you'd like to see more content like this in the comments below. But most of all, enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.